All right, guys, so you lost your box for the Fra'Mani Chicken Marsala from Costco. Well, so did I, but luckily I remember how to do it. So get yourself a large, deep skillet that has a lid. Get that preheating on medium-high heat. Open up your package. You don't got to add anything else to this. Just throw your package of chicken in here. I like to spread it around a little bit so that all of the chicken is like separated out. Just like that. Take your lid, put it on there, set it and forget it for 12 minutes, and then we'll come back to it. All right, guys, it's been 12 minutes. Turn your heat off. Take your lid off. You can see your sauce has thickened up nicely, and your chicken is hot and ready to go. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.